Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'd like to show you how to open the fuel filler cap when the battery is flat and you no longer have access. Previously I'd showed you how to get into the boot of the car to charge the battery and open the boot lid when the battery is flat. Now I'm going to show you how to release the fuel filler flap. So first off, you need to get into the boot. As we've shown before, this was the process of lifting up the little flap, pulling the handle, and it releases the boot. Please see my previous video in order to see how to do that. So now we go to the driver's side of the car, and we've got this small compartment here which is to get into the light bulbs for the driver's side rear light. We pop that cover off, and hopefully you can see that there is this lever in here, this lever here. So that lever controls the fuel filler flap release, and this is what happens when you press the button at the other end of the car. In order to release it, pull this bit down here like that, and that's it. That is a fuel filler flap released. You can see there, you can now get into it and open up the fuel flap and get in and fuel the car. Thank you so much for watching. If this has been of use to you, please like and subscribe, and leave any comments below on future videos you'd like me to make. And I'll see you in the next one.